Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing Miniverse Make It Mini new Harry Potter. And let's get started into the video. So first we unzipper the zipper. And now do our second unwrapping. And now we open. And first we have this. Second, we have the package that says cake icing. Third, mini cauldrons. That's nice. Look at that tiny cauldron. Oh, we have 4 of them. And 5 cauldron cakes. I think we're making a cauldron. Can we take this out of the box? Yes, we can. Okay. Oh. We got little, like, cakes. And pop, pop, pop. This is all we have so far. So, let's just get onto this one. And this package there is chopsticks. And this package, there is like bones or something. I actually have no idea. Some sprinkles that you can actually take out of the bottle, see? Okay, let's just put that back in. Okay, close the lid, and now we have this. Oh, I think this goes in here. We have this. Okay, I know exactly what one is ours. Ours is the Cauldron Cakes Fountains. Yep, that's ours. Okay, first, open this pot. Never showed a knife. Oh, I found the knife. Never mind. And so we get this. Open it up. Oh, and it is on. And so we get the knife. Get this. Then we get one of the cauldrons. Okay. We get some out with the knife. Ew, that was sticky. And now get the miniature cauldron. Scrape it. Put a little bit more. Scrape it. A little more, scrape it. And then smoothen the top, but put a little bit more, because what happened to my candles was not that good. And scrape, scrape, scrape. Okay, that is good. Now we put it on here. Now we get the sprinkles. Open it up. Put it in. Like that. Then get the chopsticks. Get the handles. I didn't really see any handles. Oh, I found something else that is probably the mini table. Yep, it is mini table. But now we need to get focused on finding it. Not in this wrapper. Not in this. Not in this. Maybe there is no handle to it. Oh, it's in here. Okay, it is not in there. Well, I need to find these handles anyway, but looks like I can't really find them. They're in this bag. Take this thing off. Open it. Oh, there's a little opening here. I need scissors. And I got scissors. So let's get the bag and cut it open. These are 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry out. Okay, looks like there's little different parts in it. Set it on the miniature table. And now we get one of the handles. Nope, we get one of the little screw thingies. And plop, plop. Okay, got some. Okay, so first, is that upside down? Yeah, I think it's upside down. Put it upside down. Oh, that's like the little miniature spoon. There. Okay. Now I got it. like that. Just need to even it out like that. Cut. That looks pretty good. Except for one thing. I don't think I did it right. Actually, I might have. Okay, this is confusing. Okay, do you put two on top? I think I know what I did wrong. Okay, so you were actually supposed to do it on the cupcake first, then use this little thingy. Okay, so now we gotta redo this. The knife. Spread it on. Spread some more. Get more on. Spread, 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 spread. And spread. Okay. Now get the sprinkles. I like this, so cute. Okay. Now let's put it in her. Like that. How cute is that? But that's not it. Now we need to get you. That. What do we need now? Yes. Silly me. Okay. Now we need to put it on the miniature table. That is that toast job. Okay. And soon it will dry. So let's just put it to dry. I need my chopsticks. Right there is alright. I'll put it back on the table. And now I'm gonna fast forward doing the other ones, and good luck. Okay, today I made 4 cauldrons and one of them with no handle. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.